Today's story is about the little blue train. In a vibrant, bustling train yard, there was a small blue train named Sam. Unlike the big, powerful engines, Sam was small and often overlooked. He dreamed of taking on important missions, but the other trains didn't believe in him. They thought he was too little to handle anything significant. One day, a huge cargo train broke down on the main track, blocking all the other trains. The passengers were worried, and the goods were delayed. The station master called for help, but all the big engines were too busy or too tired to come. Seeing the commotion, Sam volunteered. "I can help," he said bravely. The other trains laughed, but the station master, seeing Sam's determination, agreed to give him a chance. Sam chugged along the tracks, his small engine working hard. He carefully navigated the difficult route, passing through tunnels and over bridges. Though it was a tough journey, Sam never gave up. His perseverance paid off as he reached the stranded cargo train and pulled it to safety. The passengers and workers cheered, and the other trains admired Sam's bravery and skill. From that day on, Sam proved that even the smallest train can make a big difference when driven by courage and determination. The little blue train had shown everyone that it's not the size of the engine but the size of the heart that truly counts.